Some of you watching this will recognise these fabrics in front of me. They're from the Fabric Freedom range, and we were very fortunate that they were offered as prizes. Now, in the cutting of the jelly rolls, I was left with some strips and leftovers, and I just couldn't leave them. I had to use them. So the quilt you see behind me is a combination of ideas that I put together. So having cut these all to exactly the right size, they're going to go together as a real doddle. You could set them square just by alternating a vertical and a horizontal, but you could set them on the diagonal. And what that means is that this is what you would do. You're going to have some corner pieces that you're going to need to cut. And if I pop that one here as being the next row, you're left with what we call a setting triangle to go in here. This isn't necessarily the right size, but you can see, this is kind of diagrammatic.